This is a great workaround for a motorhome that is not used during the hot, humid summer months, and it is in long-term storage. This is something that came up to keep the temperatures in the motorhome at a reasonable level, cut down on the humidity, to protect the furniture and the wood trim from expanding and cracking in the summer heat, and not put a strain on the motorhome's built-in air conditioners. No sense putting wear and tear on those when they're just sitting here parked in the driveway. So, hooked up portable AC, vented it out through the vent hole on the top. And I set up the condensation, if there is any, to drain into the shower. I put this insulation foam here to isolate the sensor behind here from the heat generated by the vent, expelling hot air outside. Worked really good. Kept it around 77 degrees. Kept the humidity down to about 55. And I didn't have to put any wear and tear in my home air conditioning. If this one breaks, it's expendable. I could buy another one for $100 anywhere. If the ones on the roof break, we're talking big bucks. If you have to keep it in the hot place in the summertime, I recommend using one of these portable air conditioners to keep it cool and humidity down. Cuts down on condensation also. In this particular model, you can monitor it from your phone. Set it on the timer, and also when it reaches the temperature, the preset temp, it shuts down and resets for the next cycle. The temperature in an unprotected RV can quickly rise to over 100 degrees. This is cheap insurance against wear and tear of the RV roof, AC, and also to protect the motorhome furnishings and appliances. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Ciao for now.